are starting a series of video tutorials on the repair and tuning of Denzel electric bikes. In this video we introduce you how to find and replace a 12 voltage converter. If you can turn on your electric bike, the speedometer turned on, the motor is working, and you can ride your bike, but at the same time on your bike there is no front light, back light, turn lights, and also there is no electric brake and regeneration. This means that your bike does not have a 12 voltage. Most likely the 12 voltage converter is burned. The voltage converter is located on the left side of the frame, in the upper part, under the plastic, here. First you need to remove the plastic cover. For this you need to unscrew 3 bolts. Now you can see the voltage converter. Now we disconnect it and removed it. You can see 2 cables, one blue with 4 pins. This cable goes to the electric bike cable system. The second one, yellow 3 pins, goes to the turn light relay. You can also see the wires diagram. Now we change the voltage converter, install it and connect it to the electric bike. We check the operability of a new 12 voltage converter. We turn on the electric bike, check the light of the headlight, the rear light, the turn light. Now electric bike working correct, and we can close the plastic cover. If after replacing the voltage converter again there is no 12 voltage on your electric bike, that means that there is a short circuit in the 12 voltage network on your electric bike. Denzel voltage converters are short circuit proof, and most likely your previous voltage converter is working, and you need to look for a problem in the 12 voltage circuit of the electric bike. But about this we will talk in the next hour video.